why Hugo Calderano is making history at WTTC Finals Doha 2025 by coach EmRatThich. At the WTTC Finals Doha 2025, Hugo Calderano is not just playing the tournament of his life, he is rewriting table tennis history. Hugo has already done what no non-Asian player has achieved in recent decades. In the ITTF World Cup 2025, defeating all top Chinese players. And also Tomokazu Harimoto, world number 3. All in best-of-7 battles, on the biggest stage outside the Olympics. No lucky draw, no easy match, just pure, clean, high-level table tennis. He has already won the World Cup gold this year. Now he's guaranteed at least a World Championship silver. That's legacy. That's domination. No one can deny. Hugo Calderano is now one of the best in the world. The semifinal against Zhang Jike was not just a win, it was a match for the ages. The intensity, the rallies, the comeback from 0, 3 to 10, 3, then 10, 9. The drama was unreal. This may go down as one of the greatest matches in modern history. Liang played his heart out, but Hugo was simply on another level. His speed, explosiveness, and mental strength are breaking the game. Now he faces Wang Chuqin in the final, the strongest player right now in top form. But even if Hugo doesn't win gold, he has already made history. He has pushed Latin American table tennis to a new dimension. This run, this level, the story is what makes our sport so beautiful. Tomorrow will be another historic moment. No matter the result, Hugo Calderano is already a legend.
Oh, what a reach. Oh! Point of the championships!
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.